Okay, here is the cabinet to the right of the cooktop. This is a large drawer, so side view of this, and we need to get some measurements off what you want to actually put in there. That's the bottom of the drawer, and that is the top. So that's 15 and 13/16. So that drawer will actually, the top of that drawer will be shorter than what it shows. So the top of the drawer would be right about there. So the heads of the utensils and such will sit above it. And then you could probably get 3 holes along there. The width of that is, let's look at it this way. Yeah, that's about 1 foot wide, and then that drawer underneath of it. And the drawer front is that height. This would still be the spice pull-out. So this is the cabinet to the right of the range, or the cooktop. And then this, again, just to show you, is the spice pull-out. So this slides into the cabinet this way. You pull it out. This would be the front. This is the left side, and it's open. And those little holes are for an aluminum rod to go across there to help hold in spices. So that's the right side, which is solid just for structural. But this is the spice pull-out that goes right here. And those shelves, that's just the shelf you're seeing through on that cabinet. When we're looking at it this way, that's what you're seeing there. And then you're still going to have that shallow drawer there for whatever, maybe some extra spices. But all right, let me know what you think of that. Thanks.